Well, right over there, it's a massive swarm of bees, yeah. Good thing they left us alone. That's all I can say. They swarmed right over us.
We should have filmed them when they came right over us.
They're stopped by that tree. It's got a
probably
hive somewhere.
Make a new hive.
Well, that's as close up as it gets, so guess I'm done with the bee swarm.
Okay, this is where they're going. We found their hive. Base of this tree, apparently. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but there's a lot of them. Go ahead and get up close. I'm not scared. Hopefully they're not African ones, though. Wow, there's a lot of them. There'll be honey soon, somewhere. Well, we always run into something a little interesting. Oh well, we're done catting for the day, so we're out of here.